here from Total Performance Factory, here to show you how to properly wrap your hands for boxing. So you're gonna go ahead, put your hand out flat, make sure your fingers are stretched out. You're gonna take the loop, you're gonna put it on your thumb first. Always go over the top of your hand first. Then you're gonna wanna wrap your wrist twice. 1, 2. See? Then you're gonna come up by your pinky. You're gonna cross over your palm, come back over, and then come down. Now, you're gonna go through your pinky up here. Make sure your fingers are still spread, because if you keep your fingers together, your hand's gonna get squished and it's not gonna feel right. Then you're gonna go through your middle, then here, and come back down. So now you're all through your fingers, make a fist mic, and then open up. Now you're gonna wrap one more time around your wrist. Come up by your pointer finger, there you go. Across the top by your knuckles. You wanna make sure your knuckles are covered for more protection, more support. Come back down by your pinky, a couple times around your wrist. Here's the thing with wrapping our hands. If you feel like your wrist is a little sore, you can extra wrap around your wrist, or if you feel like your knuckles are hurting a little bit more, then you might wanna go around your knuckles a couple more times. All depends on what you are feeling for that day. So then you're gonna make an X now. Come down, come up, and then go across your knuckles one more time. Come back down, and then you're gonna finish off around your wrist. Make sure you make a fist, make a fist. Make sure the front of your knuckles is covered and your wrist has lots of support.